Swagbucks is legit. It really does pay out in PayPal Cash and gift cards. But here's the catch, and it's exactly what users point out in the Reddit thread right here. So they are saying that the earnings are small and slow. Surveys often disqualify you after several minutes. Watching videos pays pennies, and it takes time to build up enough SB points for a payout. The community consensus is clear. Yes, Swagbucks can give you free money, but it's pocket change, not a real income stream. So the verdict is that Swagbucks is worth it if you treat it as a side hustle for perks and gift cards. But if you're expecting fast or serious earnings, you'll be disappointed. You're better off doing something else.